Toyota, rich paddy field. Honda, main paddy field. Mazda, pine tree paddy field. Why do Kanji have paddy field part? Because they started their company from farm tractor.
You got your baited. You got your baited.
I'm kidding.
Baited.
Hey guys, this is local Japanese guy Tommy. Welcome to Tommy's Kanji Bootcamp. Before I introduce this week's kanji, let me tell about this stuff. So I reference Japanese compulsory education. So in elementary school, we learn simple and frequent kanjis, which can be part of the other kanjis and words. So let's enjoy. Okay, this week's kanji is here. Rain, mountain, river, paddy field, and bamboo. These are come from hieroglyph, by the way. Hieroglyph in Japanese is hieroglyph. Pronunciation is different. So you can guess the shape, like a mountain is like mountain. So you can see the mountain shape, or river is like a river stream. So you can guess the shape, except rain. But look at this. This is how this rain kanji came from. So like just a raindrop come from the cloud. So it kind of makes sense, right? And then these kanjis are really famous for the part of Japanese family name, as I introduced, like Toyota, Honda's da or something. But about rain, I need to explain more. This time I just focus to explain this rain kanji. The other four kanjis are just like learn by yourself. So about this rain kanji, this kanji could be a part of something weather kanjis like snow, drop, thunder, hail, fog, frost. So when you see that this rain part, a lot of cases are kind of related with the weather. And then this one, tropical rainforest like Amazon. Like we learned tree family last week. So urin is like rainforest, makes sense. But even like this is double tree forest. But about this word, rainforest, this forest is this kanji. It's complicated, but just memorize as a word. And then even I can't write some of these rain families kanji. So don't worry, just look up and then not try to memorize like, oh, okay, got it, like that. You can watch this really lightly or really casually. And then I want to introduce these words. This is juyo and funiki, means demand and atmosphere. These words are very common and we see really often, like in newspaper, and in casual conversation, and in some articles. So just as a word, you should memorize these stuff. So we use like それ重要あんの?それ重要あんの? means I assume it's not important. And about atmosphere, we use like この店めっちゃ雰囲気いいね。この店めっちゃ雰囲気いいね means here it's cozy. So these are really common. And then about funiki, it's really common and then shows a lot in the casual conversation. So you should memorize it. Even these kanjis use our rain part, but it's not about weather. About atmosphere, we can kind of guess, atmosphere is like something, like in this air or something. But no, like about me, I just memorize as just a word. I don't guess there is like, oh, this is rain part, so it's related with something like weather or rain or something. No, just memorize as just a word. So you don't need to guess, just learn and memorize them. I drop these kanjis in the clip description. If you are interested, just check by yourself. Okay, thanks for watching as always. Please hit the thumbs up and then subscribe. Okay, see you later. Bye now.
Baited.